हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू यूट्यूब चैनल मोटर रेफ। तो आज हम रिव्यू करने वाले हैं मारुति ऑल्टो 800 जो कि एक एलेक्सा पेट्रोल वेरिएंट है एंड दिस इज पावर्ड बाय 3 सिलेंडर 800cc मोटर इंजन एंड सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द वीडियो। So guys, आगे से देखा जाए so we get a typical setup of an headlamp which is on halogen and integrated indicator पे मिल जाता है on the top right hand side. And if you talk about the chrome treatment, so chrome treatment अच्छा दिया हुआ है। बीच में हमको मिल जाता है सुजुकी की बैजिंग और इसके लेफ्ट और दोनों लेफ्ट एंड राइट हैंड साइड में हमको मिल जाता है एक थिन स्ट्रिप ऑफ क्रोम ट्रीटमेंट which makes the car really elegant and premium at this price range. बट सैडली हमें इसमें हमको फॉग लैम्प मिल नहीं जाता, सो वो एक डिसअपॉइंटमेंट थिंग है। बाकी बट फॉर द प्राइस रेंज दीज ऑल फीचर्स आर बेसिक एंड वेरी नेसेसिटी फॉर सिटी ड्राइविंग। सो अगर साइड से देखा जाए, साइड प्रोफाइल की बात की जाए, सो वी गेट अ 12 इंच व्हील विच इज़ नॉट एन अलॉय। ऑब्वियसली एट दिस कॉस्ट रेंज आपको अलॉय नहीं मिलेगी। और उसी के ऊपर हमको मिल जाता है इंडिकेटर की स्विच and this is manually adjusted side view mirrors and you also get a radio antenna over here, so this is a good feature of this car. And we get the classic door handle and we also get a nice sticker which is finished in a orangish and crimson treatment with Alto ka badging over here. And the rear wheel size is also the same, which is 12 inch. And if you talk about the window placement, window size and all, it's quite average for city driving, and the height is quite small because this is obviously a small car, but usage the car is more than enough. So guys, अगर पीछे की बात की जाए, so we get a Maruti Suzuki badging over here which is finished in chrome treatment, और इसी के बीच में हमको मिल जाता है एक Suzuki की badging, and on the right hand side we get the model name which is Alto 800, और उसी के नीचे हमको मिल जाता है variant name which is an LXI variant, which is the LXI petrol variant. And if you talk about the features of this car, so we get reverse parking sensors over here, which is an additional expense to this car, which does not come with the car. It's an additional feature or additional accessory, you can call it as. और अगर अभी लाइट के बारे में बात की जाए, तो वी गेट इंटीग्रेटेड टर्न इंडिकेटर्स ओवर हियर। उसी के नीचे हमको मिल जाता है रिवर्स राइटिंग का प्लेसमेंट, और उसी के पीछे में हमको मिल जाता है रेड कलर का ट्रीटमेंट फॉर बोथ द टेल लैम्प एज वेल एज द ब्रेक लाइट। एंड ऑल्सो वी गेट अ स्मॉल टेल लैम्प फॉर द ब्रेक which is fitted on top of the back glass. If we talk about the boot, this boot is a 177 liter boot which is sufficient for city usage. So let's open the boot. We also get a good treatment of chrome under the boot lid, जो कि एक additional feature देता था गाड़ी को. So this is the boot of the car. As I mentioned, it is a 177 liter boot, and we also get the stepney tire over here, which is also a 12-inch tire. And this is the place for the jack, as you can see, and you can also store few small stuff over here. And it's a very practical boot because this is only for city usage, so this is more than enough for the city. And these seats can be folded. The whole seat can be folded. It's not a split 60-40. The whole seat can be folded. So guys, the back seat, rear seat can be folded. So this does not get a 60-40 split. The whole seat will be folded. As you can see, there are two small strings to be pulled up. If you pulled up the string, this seat will fold. And this also gives an additional boot capacity, which increases the boot by a lot of margin. And you can keep a lot of big suitcases over here now. Guys, if you talk about the left profile is similar to the right profile, but we get a fuel lid opening over here. And the fuel capacity of this particular variant is 35 liters. Also, a nicely graphical design of Alto, which is finished in orange gives an additional and sportier look to the car. So guys, if we talk about the bonnet size, so bonnet size काफ़ी छोटा है because the engine of this car is also small. तो चलिए अभी इंजन के साइज और स्पेसिफिकेशंस देखते हैं हम. So this is powered by a 3-cylinder 800cc with a maximum power output of 47.3 bhp and a maximum torque of 69 जो आप स्क्रीन पे देख सकते हो. और इसमें हमको दो टाइप ऑफ फ्यूल मिल जाता है, एक पेट्रोल वेरिएंट और एक CNG वेरिएंट. एंड इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द इंजन प्लेसमेंट, सो इंजन सेंटर में प्लेस दिया हुआ है और उसी के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हमको मिल जाता है वॉश ऑफ फ्लूइड और उसी के राइट हैंड साइड में हमको मिल जाता है बैटरी. सो द इंजन बे एरिया इज क्वाइट बिग. मारुति could have fitted a 1-liter engine as well, but they went for a 3-cylinder 800cc for better average. So guys, let's go to the interior stuff of the car. So interior में हमको ड्राइवर सीट में और पैसेंजर सीट में हमको मिल जाता है डोर हैंडल which is finished in a wooden treatment which is a good accessory to the car. और इसी के नीचे हमको मिल जाता है एक स्पीकर जो कि एक additional accessory भी है. And if you talk about the door grab hold काफ़ी small है and we also get a nice design which is provided by the car. Or if you talk about the AC vents, the AC vent is circular in color, in shape, and it also gets a silver treatment around the AC vent. और इसी के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में हमको मिल जाता है manually adjusting side view mirrors. And if you talk about the dashboard is finished in plain grey, and the plastic quality is also quite hard. और इसी के नीचे हमको मिल जाता है small storage space, you can keep your phones or you can keep your small stuff. और इसी के नीचे हमको मिल जाता है एक glove box. So glove box काफ़ी बड़ा है, काफ़ी deep है, so you can accumulate a lot of stuff inside it. And if you talk about the center console and the center treatment of the car, so center treatment में हमको wooden treatment मिल जाता है जो कि एक additional feature और accessory कह सकते हैं आप. और इसी के ऊपर हमको मिल जाता है 2 AC vents. Surprisingly, the AC of this car is quite good. These are the AC controls of the car. और इसी के नीचे हमको मिल जाता है एक रेडियो सिस्टम विच इज़ आफ्टर मार्केट विच इज़ एन एक्सेसरी टू द कार. और उसी के नीचे हमको मिल जाता है एक हज़ार लाइट स्विच. वी ऑल्सो गेट सम स्मॉल कबी होल ओवर हियर टू कीप योर कॉइन्स और वॉलेट और योर फोन. एंड द होल ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ द वुडन ट्रीटमेंट इज it gives a very premium and very good look to the car. So it's a good accessory to keep it in your car. So guys, if we talk about the aftermarket radio, so aftermarket radio में हमको मिल जाता है एक Bluetooth का setting और एक aux का भी, and we also get a USB socket over here, so you can charge your phone over here. So this is a good feature of the aftermarket accessory. और उसके नीचे हम देखा जाए, so we get some storage space, so you can keep like a half a liter bottle over here, which is placed over here. Also we get a small cubby hole to keep your small cups or small stuff like a key or something. And this is the main gear of the car. This is the gearbox, 5-speed manual gearbox है. And this is a unique placement for keeping your power windows. So power window switch हमको डोर में नहीं मिलता है, बल्कि हमको गियर के नीचे मिल जाता है 2 power windows just for the front passengers. So guys, the power windows placement is finished in a wooden treatment, जो कि a lot of wooden treatment are given in this car, जो कि एक additional premium effect देता है गाड़ी को. और इसी के नीचे हमको मिल जाता है this is the power brake, you can also call it as a hand brake. और इसी के पीछे हमको मिल जाता है adjustment for the seat belt, so the seat belt can be adjusted according to you. So these are the basic treatment, basic elements of the car, basic treatments of the car which is finished in a wooden treatment. and the accessories also quite good. You get a Bluetooth speaker over here, and the speaker quality is also very good. We'll play a small video for you as well. And the basic amenity and basic features of the car are given in this car. So thumbs up for Maruti to give some basic features in this car. So guys, if we talk about the mirror and the sun blinds, so surprisingly we don't get a vanity mirror. We just get a normal sun blind over here, and उसी के बीच में हमको मिल जाता है एक लाइट, और उसी के बीच में हमको मिल जाता है दिस इज द रियर व्यू मिरर ऑफ द कार, जो कि एक डिमिंग ऑटो डिमिंग भी नहीं है, मैनुअल डिमिंग भी नहीं है. And for the driver also we get the same thing. We don't get any vanity mirror or any placement for a toll receipt, which is quite surprising. The exterior and interior look of the car. So चलिए अभी spacing की बात की जाए. So I am a 6'4" person. मेरे लिए my knees are touching the steering wheel, जो कि एक disappointing बात है. And but if you talk about the headroom and the headroom of the car, so headroom quite अच्छा है. So I have a lot of space over here for the headroom. And if you talk about the seat positioning, the seat height is also quite good. You can see, I can see the bonnet clearly from here, and you can also recline the seat over here. So the recline angle of the seat is also very good. It almost glows flat, जो कि एक अच्छी बात है. And yeah, this is the main. And under thigh support थोड़ा lacky है. But if you talk about the dimensions of the car, so मेरे लिए तो ठीक है. It's not that bad for me because of the headroom. But for me, only the legs room is quite a bit an issue for me. So guys, if you talk about the space of the back seat, so this seat is set according to my height. आप देख सकते हैं मुझे बिल्कुल स्पेस नहीं मिलता इसमें. My knee is just almost touching my chest. If I sit normally over here, the headroom is quite good. But if you talk about the leg room, it's just zero, I can say. You don't get a single, you can't feel comfortable if you go for long rides, जो कि एक बुरी बात है. But if you talk about this seat is set up to a normal average height person, so इसमें हमको मिल जाता है थोड़ा अच्छा से leg room. The headroom is quite an issue because my hair and my head is almost touching the roof of the car. Under thigh support भी थोड़ा lacky है, but the car is also quite small, so we can't complain about it. But this is quite a good car for short people, and this is basically a car for the city. So city के लिए ठीक है, मतलब if you're going out for a tour or something, this car is not recommended for you. So guys, ये मेरा दोस्त यश है, जिसका height है 5'7". He's an average height person. So उसके लिए ये सीट काफ़ी अच्छा दिया हुआ है, but उसको भी थोड़ा अंडर थाई सपोर्ट थोड़ा लाकी है. हेडरूम काफ़ी अच्छा है, हाइट भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, एंड द स्टीयरिंग पोजीशन इज आल्सो क्वाइट गुड. सो दिस इज रिकमेंडेड फॉर एवरेज हाइट पीपल. बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट टॉल पैसेंजर्स के लिए थोड़ा मुश्किल रहेगा. सो चलिए अभी पीछे चलते हैं. तो गाइस, अगर पीछे की बात की जाए, सो द फ्रंट सीट इज एडजस्टेड अकॉर्डिंग टू हिज हाइट. So as you can see, the legroom is not that good. It's average, you can say. Under thigh support भी थोड़ा lacky है, but surprisingly the headroom is quite good. And you can. This is not meant for a long ride. For city, this is quite good. You don't also get adjustable headrests. वो एक disappointing thing है. और हमको center में भी हमको armrest नहीं मिल जाता है. So वो भी एक con रहता है गाड़ी में. But basically, if you talk about the features of the car and the pricing of the car, this is more than enough for you in the city. Guys, अभी टाइम है स्पीकर टेस्ट करने की. So we get an accessory kit of a speaker over here, जो कि एक JVC कंपनी का है, और टोटल में हमको मिल जाता है 2 स्पीकर ओनली ये गाड़ी में, जो कि फ्रंट पैसेंजर और ड्राइवर के पास मिल जाता है. So quickly let's play an audio for you right away and see how the sound quality is. This is not the fitted by Maruti. This is an additional feature on accessory you get. So because of this only the sound quality is good, because Maruti is not known for the speakers. पर ये speaker काफ़ी अच्छा है क्योंकि ये एक accessory unit है. So a good speaker, a good bass and a good treble you get in the speaker. So if we talk about the steering wheel, we get a 3-spoke power steering wheel with a Suzuki badging, which is finished in a silver treatment over here. So the steering wheel is finished in a dual tone, a silver and a blackened one. And this is the sound of the horn. This is quite quick and a quite chirpy sound of the car. And you don't get an airbag. Obviously in this price range you won't get any airbags over there. So this is one con over here. So guys, steering wheel के left hand side हमको मिल जाता है एक wiper का control. So the wiper is quite good, produces a lot of spray and cleans the windscreen in no time. ये दोनों wipers है Bosch company के, जो कि एक good brand of wipers. And if you talk about the right hand side, we get the placement for the indicator as well as the light headlamps of the car. And if you talk about the console of the car, this is quite basic. We get a odometer, a speedometer in the center with a digital odometer, which has a lot of units, different units. So this is the total kilometers run by the vehicle. This is trip A, trip B, and this is the current time. And you also get a fuel level indicator, which is also finished in digital. And this is the basic feature of the car. And right hand side हमको मिल जाता है एक AC vent, which is finished in a silver lining treatment. और इसी के नीचे हमको मिल जाता है place for the headlight leveler and a small cubby place to keep your small stuff, like this is a Vaseline bottle. You can keep small stuff over here. So basically the car is quite practical for the city use, and also good riding experience. You can I'm going to talk about the riding experience now in a bit. So the car has got a lot of basic features, so which is adequate for city driving. So guys, ये था इंटीरियर एंड एक्सटीरियर टॉक अबाउट ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर व्हीकल. तो चलिए अभी ड्राइविंग एक्सपीरियंस देखते हैं. So let's go to the first gear and rubber boat. So as you can hear, the engine is quite bassy. It produces a lot of noise, and the cabin is also quite loud because of the engine. This is a petrol variant, and you can see the average of the vehicle, which will be on the screen right now. So this is one of the top sellers of Maruti because of its average, and this car also comes in a CNG variant, so which is very economical. So which is a very good advantage and a good pro of this car. You won't get a good average on another cars like Maruti. This is the only car which you can get a very good mileage. And yeah, this is the main experience of the car. So if you talk about the gear position and engagement of the gear is quite laggy at the first. So the first gear is quite laggy. It produces a lot of jerk. But if you're in a constant speed of like about 40 to 60, you'll get a good smooth driving experience, which is a good practical thing. And in city, this car is very usable because of its size. So this car can be parked at each and every small corner, which is a good thing, because in India parking is a very big issue. So ये गाड़ी आप use करेंगे तो you'll get a parking very easily. And yeah, this is one of the good things of the car. So now let me talk about the small cons of this car. So basically you don't get any safety kit in this, like an airbag, EBD. You won't get even ABS in this car, so which is one disappointing thing. And also if you talk about the positioning for this steering wheel, the steering wheel is quite at a lower end. My knees are actually touching the steering wheel, so which is quite a disadvantage. But this is been a top seller for its average, which is a very good thing. And most of the people buy this in CNG variants to make it more economical. As I told you, you can see the specifications of the CNG and petrol variants on the screen. So yeah, a good thumbs up for Maruti for making this, upgrading this Alto 800 to a bigger, more powerful Alto. So now we'll just wait for what other Alto cars will come in the future. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this videos to your friends, and please hit the notification bell icon.